Do you want fix Marvel Rivals not loading or stuck in the first screen? Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, in PlayStation 5, in Xbox, and in PC. Okay, in PlayStation 5, okay, we are going to the network. Okay, and you check your network, your network. Okay, and if not work the network, okay, we are going to the system and you clear cache. Okay, if not work this, okay, you uninstall and install the Marvel Rivals. Okay, the second, okay, in the Xbox we are going to the general, okay, and go to the network settings. You check the network, go to the system, clear cache. If not work, uninstall and install, and go to the Steam, okay, for the PC, and go to the library. Okay, go to the library, and here we are going to the section of your games and go to the Marvel Rivals. Okay, go here, manage properties, and here go to the inside files, and you click to the verify integrity of game files. Okay, if not work this, we are going to the general, and here in launch options you put this -dx12 and you solve the problem. Bye bye.